In this video, I'm going to show you how to get mods in Garry Mods team. So first off, you can add mods in here, add-ons, and as you can see here, you could click NPCs. So and these are my installed NPCs. And as you can see, if you want to download, just go to latest uploads or top rated or trending. It depends on you. And if you click that or anything in any section in here, you could see that you could install them. And once you have installed them, just confirm. And once it's downloading, it will download. And as you can see, it will automatically go to your file or to your Garry's mode folder or mode folder. And if you want to go manually, you could go open workshop. Now once you're in here, you could also download here. As you can see, you could also download here the mods that you want, but still it's the same when you install there, it's automatic. And here if you want to manual, you could install this. As you can see, just subscribe, and once you are done subscribing, you could install them, and you could install them and put the file in the Garry mods folder, the mod folder. So if you want to find it, that's in another video, but in this, I'm just gonna show you how to download or get mods in Garry's mod, and this is how you get the mods. As you can see, you can get mods in the game itself. So example, if I install the Hydra NPC, let's install it, and let's wait, and I'm gonna show you this once it's done downloading. As you can see my installed mods in here in add-ons, and as you can see, I could click them, and here you go. As you can see, there are my downloaded mods, and this is where you find the mods, as you can see here. And that's it.